The shortcut feature. The shortcut feature is much like when you preset certain radio stations in your car. In DryFire, we give you the opportunity to select 16 different presets, and in each preset you will have the layout name. I'm going to go up here and click on layouts, and let's suppose that I'm going to set up a preset with Trap American Singles as the layout. And then let's suppose that I'm going to practice Station 1 targets. And then this is going to be for shooter Henry. So I'm going to select Henry. And since Henry probably isn't going to use his bunker gun on American Trap Singles, let's go down and select his Trap Singles gun. Now with those four things then pre-selected before we go ahead and set up a shortcut, all we have to do is come over to File, click on Save the Shortcut, and in the dialog box that opens, everything that we really need is already in here. Notice that in the name window it says Trap American Singles, Station 1, Henry, and his gun is Trap Singles. You could select a shortcut key so that you could get to this by either using Alt-Shift-1 or Alt-Shift-2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up through 10. I'm going to leave this with none to start out with. And then in the numeric window, you're going to uniquely come up with 16 different mnemonics, and they are either a one-character letter or the numbers 0 through 9. I'm going to leave this one on A, and then going to show you how this all comes together. I'm going to click on OK. And now I'm going to come up to File and come down to Select the Shortcut. And notice here in this dialog box that opens, the shortcut dialog box, it says that I have a shortcut called A, and what it is will take us to Trap American Singles, Station number 1. It's for Henry, and Henry's gun is going to be the Trap Singles gun. All right, now let's go ahead and set up another one. This time, let's go ahead and come up to File, come down to Layouts. Let's go ahead and pick out Skeet American Round. Within the round, rather than shooting a complete round, which we could do if we left round in there, let's suppose that we want to practice Station 4 High House. So in the target window, we put in Station 4 High. And then here in the shooter, let's set this shooter on up for Joe. And Joe probably isn't going to use his bunker gun, so let's set him up with his skeet gun. And now those are the four things that we need in the preset. And so we're going to come over here to File. We're going to say Save the Shortcut. Notice under Name it gives us all of the information: Skeet American Round, Station 4 High, Joe, and Joe's skeet gun. This time let's set up a shortcut in here of Alt, Shift, and F1, and let's call this B. Now I click on OK. If I now go back here to File, come down to Select the Shortcut, notice of the 16 potential shortcuts I can create, I have now created two, Shortcut A and Shortcut B. The only way that I can get to Shortcut A would be to click on A, and that takes me right to that shortcut, which, if you remember, was Trap American Singles on Station number 1. It was Henry, and it was Henry's Trap Singles gun. If I want to get to my other shortcut that I've created, I could do the same thing. I can come back, click on Shortcuts, and then click on Shortcut B. However, let's try and do this with the keystrokes. And right now what I'm doing is I'm doing on the keyboard simultaneously the Alt key plus the Shift key plus the F1 key. And that takes me to what my second shortcut was, which is Skeet American Round, Station 4 High. The shooter was Joe, and Joe was using his skeet gun. So with that in mind, you are able to create 16 different shortcuts that could take you to different shooters' guns, different layouts, or if this is a system that you're the only user, you could go ahead and set up 16 different places where you, the shooter, could go with just either the keystrokes of Alt-Shift and an F key, or you can go in and select the shortcut that you want. I hope this helps you.